It's going to rain and the cloud is getting dark. And the fur babies are up there or down there having some good time. So gusto pa nila talaga maglaro. And it's 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Play muna kayo. Okay? And look at the sky. It's getting dark. Nakadinig kayo ng kulog? There were some thunderstorms. May kulog ba? May kulog? Look at Rio. She's there. Hi, Rio. Onyx. Hi, Cotton. Some of them were afraid in thunderstorms and some of them are not. Let's go down and let's have some quality time with our fur babies like Kauri. Hi, Kauri. Over there is Macy. Hi, Macy. Ah, beautiful girl ang Macy. Hi, Macy. How are you, Macy? Hi, Maddox. Hi, Barney. Saisa, hello. Gucci, what is that, Gucci? Huh? Gucci, what is that? No more water? Kauri? Mag-refill tayo ng water. Let's go. We're going to refill the water. Nauhaw ka, Maddox? Nauhaw din ng Prada. Si Kauri. Oh, you drink na, Kauri. Come on. Inom na ng water. Gucci, what is it? That's Herbie. Hi, Herbie. Wow. What is that, Fendi? What are you doing? Fendi, no. I think it's going to rain later because it's getting dark, the clouds or the sky. Gucci, no. Okay, that's it.